Hi, I'm Roger. Welcome back to my channel. I want to thank those persons who recently subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. Welcome. In the video today, I'm going to be showing you, this is really a follow-up video to the previous one that I did, in which I demonstrated how you can actually test your network cable using a LAN tester. That's a network cable tester. In this video, I'm going to show you now how to make patch cables, how to make your own patch cables. So typically your patch cable, yes, they can come pre-made. You can go into the computer store, your local computer store, or you can go online to Amazon, for instance, and you can purchase pre-made cables, patch cables, or you can make your own. You may want to make your own for various reasons. Perhaps the length cable that you need is not available. It may be that you have had your cable and some part of it may have been broken and you want to fix it. So I'm going to show you how you can do that in this video. Alright, so let us jump right into it. For this demonstration, to make your own patch cables, you need to have a couple things. Of course, you need to have the cables, you need to have the jacks, and these now will go on the end of the cable. You will also need to have a wire stripper, your crimping tool, and of course having a network cable tester would be good, so you can easily test the cable when finished. Let's just jump right into it. The first thing you need to do is to strip the cable. So you're going to strip a portion at the end. So I'm now removing the outer layer. And this part here, I'm going to cut off. This is twisted pairs. There are 4 pairs of cables here. I'm just straighten them out. And I'm going to arrange them in a particular order. The first one, remember I'm making a straight through cable. The first one will be orange stripe, followed by solid orange, and then green stripe, that one there, solid blue, then blue stripe, that one there, green, that's solid green, brown stripe, that's that, and then solid brown. All right, so that order there. If you notice, the ends are uneven, so I'm going to clip them to get them all even. All right, now the other part, so maintaining the same order, you have to ensure that it doesn't shift. I'm now going to insert them now in the same order into the jack. All right, and insert it all the way up so that it meets those gold pins there at the end. That's it. And of course, the other process now is to crimp. So this is my crimping tool, and there are, well, a couple sections here, but the focus here really is to make the patch cables. So that will go into here, which is the RJ45 section. This is for RJ11 cables, that's the telephone lines, telephone wire. Insert that here, all the way up, and then I'm going to apply pressure to crimp that. And it is a good idea to do a visual inspection after you crimp to make sure that those gold pins actually bite them, so to speak, into each of the strands of the cable. Alright, so that's completed, and I'm going to repeat the same process for the other end. So the ends have been crimped. Now I'm going to test the cable to see if it actually works, and this is using now the LAN tester. Turn that on. And notice it is actually cycling through each pin, so this end is good. Also, this is also cycling through the different ends to the different pins, so this is also good. All right, so that is how you actually make your own patch cables. I hope you have got value from this video, and if you did, please go ahead and hit that like button. Remember to also share the video and other videos that you would have watched and would have gotten value from them. Remember also to hit that subscription button if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, and yes, don't forget to also hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Until next time, take care.